Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that many of you have asked about: why do we get vertical ridges on our nails? You might have noticed these lines on your nails and wondered if they indicate a health problem or just a natural occurrence. Well, don't worry, we've got you covered with all the information you need. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's get started. 1. Understanding nail anatomy. To understand why we get vertical ridges on our nails, let's first grasp the basics of nail anatomy. Our nails are composed of a protein called keratin, similar to our hair. They grow from a nail matrix, which is located under the cuticle at the base of each nail. As new cells form in the matrix, the older cells are pushed forward, creating the nail plate that we see. 2. Natural aging process. One common cause of vertical ridges is simply the natural aging process. As we age, the cell turnover in the nail matrix can slow down, leading to less uniform nail growth. This can result in the appearance of fine lines or ridges on the nails, which are usually harmless and purely cosmetic. 3. Nutritional deficiencies. Another potential cause of vertical ridges is nutritional deficiencies. Our nails can be a reflection of our overall health, and certain vitamin and mineral deficiencies may manifest as nail issues. In particular, a lack of biotin, zinc, iron, or other essential nutrients could contribute to the formation of ridges on the nails. 4. Trauma or injury. Sometimes, vertical ridges can be caused by trauma or injury to the nail bed. Repeatedly tapping or hitting your nails, or even wearing tight-fitting shoes that put pressure on your toes, can lead to these ridges. While they might not indicate a severe problem, they could be a sign to be more careful and avoid further injury. 5. Medical conditions. In some cases, vertical ridges on the nails might be associated with certain medical conditions. Conditions like psoriasis, eczema, and lichen planus can affect the nails, causing ridges and other abnormalities. However, it's essential to remember that having ridges on your nails doesn't automatically mean you have a medical condition. It's just one possible symptom to consider. 6. Nail care tips. Now that we've explored some potential causes, let's discuss how to take care of your nails. Maintaining good nail hygiene and keeping them moisturized can help prevent excessive ridging. Additionally, a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can support healthy nail growth. You may consider using nail creams or oils to keep your nails hydrated and nourished. 7. Emphasizing overall health. Vertical ridges on your nails can sometimes be a reflection of your overall health. If you notice any sudden changes or significant ridges on your nails, it could be worth considering your lifestyle. Factors like stress, lack of sleep, or underlying health issues can also influence the appearance of your nails. Remember to prioritize self-care and seek professional advice if needed. 8. Cosmetic Solutions. If you're concerned about the appearance of ridges on your nails, there are cosmetic solutions available. Nail buffing can help smooth out minor ridges. But be cautious not to overdo it, as excessive buffing may damage the nails. You can also use ridge-filling base coats or opt for nail polish with a smooth finish to minimize the appearance of ridges. 9. When to consult a professional. While most nail ridges are harmless and temporary, there are instances where it's essential to consult a healthcare professional or dermatologist. If you notice sudden changes in the color, shape, or texture of your nails, or if the ridges are accompanied by other concerning symptoms, seeking professional advice can help rule out any underlying health issues. And that's a wrap on our extended video explaining why we get vertical ridges on our nails. Remember, while most ridges are nothing to worry about, it's essential to pay attention to any significant changes or persistent issues with your nails. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave your comments below with any questions or suggestions for future topics. Until next time, take care, prioritize your health, and keep those nails healthy. Bye.